and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and I do videos on thrifting and DIYs and just my life really. And today we have a super exciting video. We have a thrift haul, and it's quite a big one actually. It was only going to be a small one, but then I accidentally popped to the shops again, so we got a bit more and I've compiled it together just into one big haul. So if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep watching. I'll try and go through the prices and sizing along as I go. For reference, I'm between a 12 to 14, although I don't really believe in sizes anymore because I can be completely different size and completely different brands. So I'm around a 12 to 14. My hips and my chest is a bit bigger. I'm a size 34F and I'm about 5'5". So hopefully that gives you all the kind of information you need to know. My fashion is very varied, whatever I feel like wearing. One day I'm dressing super girly, the next day I'm dressing super grungy. It really depends on the day. Also, I'm quite plain clothes today because I have been working. For those of you who don't know, I have a beauty studio and I've been working all day. So that's why I look a bit disheveled. But I will start off with the first trip, which was in Billericay. So I'll go through where I got individual shops, but I shopped in Billericay High Street for the first lot. And the first shop I went into was Marie Curie, and I got these trousers for £4.50. I'll also insert a try on clip as well. So they're these culotte trousers. They've got sort of a tie waist, so kind of paper bag, and they're this mustard yellow with got this black print over it. Now they are not super opaque. They're a tiny bit see-through, but nothing that I really care about. I would wear these with just a plain black vest top, maybe some gold jewellery, and definitely some nude knickers because you can see. But I thought these are super fun. I thought they're good for summer, a bit more floaty. And these were saying they were a size large, and they're on a large hanger. But I couldn't find an exact size. They're from George at Asda originally, and I really like George clothes. I think they're really fun, and I just like these. They're something a bit different, and I love a different trouser, so I really liked them. I also picked up, which is kind of a bit of a wild card. I wasn't necessarily going to pick it up. My friend Katie, who I went with, was like, just go for it and get it. So I did. So not that I'm going on a holiday anytime soon, but picture this: a holiday, black bikini, and this kind of, I don't actually know what it's meant to be. I assume it must be a cover up originally. But it's this gorgeous kind of mid-axi length cover up. It's got sort of short-ish sleeves with kind of a little flute detail at the end, and it's got this simple tie in the middle. So I think this would be really cute if you're sort of on a summer holiday, you're wearing a black bikini underneath, or any colour bikini, really white, anything, and then you just want to throw on something to eat some lunch or anything. I just thought this was super cute, and this was £5 from Sense, so a tiny bit more expensive. And I just thought, to be fair, I think Katie enabled me to get it a little bit. She's like, go for it, get it. And I was a bit and ahhing, but I do think for holidays it's going to be super handy, so I like that. And I do think that a lot of my beach cover-ups no longer fit because I am a bit bigger than I was last summer. So another thing, which was again from Marie Curie, which I actually never look in sort of their, if you haven't been in charity shops recently, a lot of them have sort of a glass cabinet where they put sort of their more expensive items, jewellery, just some more special bits, and this was in there. So this is originally from Givenchy, and I got it for £3. It has still got a new label on, which was £50, so it was quite expensive new, and it's this gorgeous set of jewellery. So as you can see, it's sort of this, it's a really super simple gold chain. It's got sort of the logo on the clasp, and it also comes with a matching bracelet. Now, I've wanted a simple gold chain for a long time. I'm not sure if I will wear the bracelet. I don't actually even know how you kind of put it on, but I just thought as a simple kind of little gold chain, I thought on top of like a turtleneck, this will look super cute. And I'm excited. I do need to sanitize this because I haven't done it already. That's kind of how I'm doing things at the moment. I kind of get them home, try them on, make sure I just wash my hands afterwards, and then I'm kind of cleaning and sanitizing and washing things after, and just to check I like them. You can return stuff to charity shops. Some offer a refund, some offer exchange. I don't personally tend to send stuff back. I will donate stuff back, or I will sell it on Depop if it doesn't fit me, and that's kind of the way that it works for me, and that's kind of how I do it. So the final thing I got in Billericay was from Cancer Research. Now this was £10, so slightly more expensive than I would normally spend in a charity shop. However, I'm trying to fill up my wardrobe with really good quality pieces that will last, and I don't mind sort of spending an extra £5 to get something that's really good quality. So any brands I know are really high quality, I don't mind spending a little bit more on, and I am trying to slowly kind of wean out the really cheap clothes and buy sort of slightly more expensive from the charity shop though, so still cheaper. And on that note, I got to this Ralph Lauren jumper. It was in an XL, it was £10, and I just fell in love with the colour of this, to be honest, and I put it on this morning, and it is possibly the softest thing I've ever felt on my body. So it is this just gorgeous kind of nude tan sort of jumper. It's got sort of the Ralph Lauren logo in the corner in sort of a darker brown burgundy colour. The only thing about the fit of this, I buy loads of my clothes in the men's section. I check the men's section every time I go in the shops, and I've got some of my favourite pieces from the men's section. However, the arms on this are quite long, but that's nothing that just rolling up wouldn't, or just kind of scrunching them up wouldn't solve. I was kind of picturing this with some like leggings and just like a really chilled everyday outfit, but I think the fabric of it and the colour and just the brand makes it kind of look a bit more put together, and it's so soft. I can't wait to wear that one. So that was all the stuff I got from the Billericay charity shops. And then today I went to the Basildon ones. So the Basildon ones are definitely cheaper. They have a lot more deals. There was quite a few shops where everything was £2. A lot of shops where things were half price and things like that, which was super good. So I went in, this one was from Haven's Hospices, and everything in there was £2 or less. And this is super, super basic, but just a top that I really enjoyed. It's in a size 18, and it's just this gorgeous yellow t-shirt. I really like yellow, it makes me happy. I may be too pasty, although I have got a bit of it caught the sun a little bit. I thought this was super cute on its own, but equally I think I might embroider on it a little bit and just do like a simple embroidery sort of on the chest area. I'm liking kind of getting plain-ish clothes and then kind of upcycling them so it's more me, and yeah, just kind of putting my spin on it a little bit. So I really liked this, and as I say, it was £2, and it's just a giant, well, not a giant, it's an 18, so it's actually not that big, but a kind of just a more oversized for me t-shirt. Thought I could wear this with jeans, with shorts. I just thought this was quite fun, and it's a random piece, and if I don't wear it often, it will become a pyjama top, and I'm always looking for a big pyjama top, so I really like this one. And for the price, I literally couldn't say no. Again, from Haven's Hospice. I looked at it again, and this is where I got my last time. If you watched my previous charity shop hauls from, I think, the first trip out of lockdown or the second one, was my second charity shop haul maybe, I was on the hunt for a sweater vest. I know what video it was in. It was in my thrifting trends video, and I thrifted a sweater vest, and I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm ever going to wear this. Is it even going to suit me? But it was £2. Anyway, in the same charity shop, I got for the same price another sweater vest, again at £2. This one, I believe, is this a size large? And again, it was £2. And this with jeans, I really like that look. I think the kind of boxy shape of them are really nice. The one I had before, I think, was an XL, maybe even an XXL. So this one being a large might be just a handy bit more snug. I like the burgundy colour, I like the fact that it was £2, and I like the fact that the money's going to help hospices. That makes me happy. So I really like this. I thought that was super, super cheap. Now the next two items are slightly wacky, are slightly strange. People may judge me for them, but they make my heart so incredibly happy, and I've decided that I'm going to stop trying to just buy in to things everyone else is wearing and things that actually will make me happy, and this definitely does. Now, disclaimer, I probably won't ever wear this at the house unless I'm potentially going to see a viewing of the film, which when you see it, you'll know what I mean. I love dinosaurs, I love Jurassic World, and I think this is the most me top I've ever seen in my life, and it makes me so happy. It's a Jurassic World top, as if I work in Jurassic World, and that is possibly my dream job. And on the back it says the park is open, and it also says own it now on Blu-ray and DVD. So obviously that bit kind of, it must be from someone who worked in a shop. There was lots, hence there's a theme coming. This was £2.50 in British Art Foundation, and I thought this is super fun. I'm going to wear it when I'm around the house, I'm going to wear it when I'm sleeping, I'm going to wear it when I'm doing crafts and DIYs and stuff, and I just want to be comfortable. It was a wacky purchase, and I know I won't ever wear it out unless I'm potentially going to see the new Jurassic World film. But I can look like I work in Jurassic World. Also decided this would be a really fun Halloween costume if like someone's wearing this, me or someone, and then the other person is dressed up as a dinosaur. and if that is not a me idea, I don't know what is. But I like this, and it's super wacky and makes my heart happy, and that's fun. And on the same note of things that are a bit wacky and make my heart happy, and definitely was donated by the same person, which I actually kind of love when you get a theme. And one of the other charity shops, they had like loads and loads of West End musical t-shirts in the men's section, and it was obviously this person who'd obviously gone to basically every show in the West End, because there was literally every show I could think of in there, and that was really fun. They were literally like £2 each. But this one, again, probably donated by the same person, is this Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 t-shirt. It's in purple. I actually really love the colour of it and kind of want my nails to look this colour. And on the back, we've got Baby Groot, and it just says, now on Blu-ray and DVD. And it's a Baby Groot t-shirt, and I know it says available now on Blu-ray on the back, which is obviously someone who worked in a shop or a cinema or something, I don't know, probably not a cinema, maybe like HMV or something like that. But I just thought this was super fun, and I like the colour, and it's super oversized. This one's actually in a size large, and I think the other one was in 2. Oh, actually, this is XL, a 44, but that's my dream. I love oversized shirts. I also would wear this sort of thing just with cycling shorts around the house, or if I'm just running on errands or whatever, so I love this. And I love Baby Groot, and this makes me really happy. And again, it's a super wacky purchase, but I love it, and it makes me really happy in my soul, and that is my favourite thing. So on to things that don't necessarily make my soul happy, but it's super good and productive that I bought. I got, let me actually show you that one first. So I got this to wear for work. So as I say, I have my own beauty studio, and I literally live in black vest tops and things like that. But I was looking for some thicker ones, ones that are a bit more high quality. And I found this Zara one. It's in a size large, and it's just kind of their classic vest tops. It's got a square neck, and I thought this is a bit good. It's actually a bit higher of a neck, which is quite good when I'm doing new clients, and it's kind of that slinky material. It is double lined over the chest area, which is one of the things I don't particularly love, because my chest is slightly bigger. When they have like the lining over the chest, it quite often just stops halfway over my chest, which isn't ideal, but I think in black you probably won't notice that too much. And for £4, I thought this was super good for kind of a strong, nice, slinky top. Also probably good for the winter. I know we're kind of coming out of that, but I know on chillier mornings I want something a tiny bit thicker than just kind of a basic jersey vest top. So I thought that was good. And then this is the final thing. This was from Mind. Everything in here was all menswear, or men's t-shirts, women's tops were all half price. So I got this for £2, and it is in a size large. And from the front, it's actually just a super basic t-shirt. As I said, I love wearing big graphic kind of t-shirts and just cycling shorts and things like that, or with jogging bottoms, and just to be comfy really. So from the front, it's kind of just as Fuji, and it's got kind of volcano kind of vibe. But the back is where this one shines. Is that just the coolest print ever? So this was originally from ASOS. It's in a size large, and it's actually quite oversized, which I like for a large. I find large men's can sometimes actually be quite small. But this looks super nice. I love kind of this tiger print, kind of the oriental vibes of it. I just think this is fun. This is the Battle of Mount Fuji, and I just think it was quite fun. Something a bit different. I love an oversized shirt, and this is in Mind, and Mind kind of has a special place in my heart as a charity. So I like to support, well, all the charities. It makes me super happy. Also, the Zara top was from Sense. I don't know if I said that. Or Scope, not Sense. But I just love it. I love charity shopping. So that is actually everything for the haul. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to do a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite item was. And guys, as my little homework to you, anyone who's watching my videos, please go check out your local charity shops. If you find things, make sure to send me a DM and show me, tag me on Instagram with your pictures of things you find thrifting, because I think a lot of people aren't thrifting, and it's a perfect time to do it. It's shopping sustainably, it's shopping a tiny bit more ethically, because you're not kind of producing more clothes unnecessarily, and it's super cheap, and it's like a big treasure hunt, and I can't express to you how much it brings me joy. I've even got Justin hooked on it. He found an Under Armour Anthony Joshua t-shirt for £6 in British Heart Foundation, which it's just insane. So please go check it out if you haven't already, and let me know what stuff you find. And if you do like these style videos, consider subscribing. I do lots and lots of thrift hauls and things like that, and I'm aiming to talk more about sustainable fashion as I'm learning about it. I'm still very new to it, and I want to learn as much as I can. So if you've got any tips, leave them below as well, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.